that's the window I fixed. Is that window made out of sheet plastic and painter's tape? Nope. This is the window that fell out. And you can see it's super heavy and super thick. Oh, I think it's called Lexan plastic. And if you look closely, let me swap it. If you look closely, you can see this was the top edge and it was getting all goopy and stuff because it was not holding water. So when I found it, it was leaning way out of the boat. So what I'm going to do is turn the boat around so I can reach that side on the dock, and I'm going to rebed that window correctly. And a lot of people were saying, well, why not screw it in? And I gotta be careful because I still have fans going. They're saying, like, why not screw it in? Because they don't screw in skyscraper windows, they glue them in with the right stuff. But yeah, this is just, I've got a trash bag on the outside, got a trash bag on the inside, and I've actually got a third one in the middle to keep any more moisture from getting in. I've got the dehumidifiers running, and I wiped everything down with comprobium, which will prevent any mold growth. And oh yeah, and here's one of my other projects. Shh, don't tell my husband, he doesn't know I did that. But yep, so I got my work cut out for me. So there's one more thing and I have to wait and I'll show you. So they're getting their dock repaired because I think the guy broke his boat lift because he bought a boat that was too big. What I have to do is, the window is right over there. If I turn the Reboot around, where my boat lift is, her butt is still out over the water, so I can't actually get to this. So my awesome neighbors, who I love very much, have said, yeah, go ahead and use our dock, because their boat lift is much farther this way, so I can tuck it in behind them there and not have a problem. It'll be tight, but I'll be able to work on the window from the dock. So that's where we are with that. And that's been fun to listen to all day, every day, but it is what it is. But yeah, once we get that done, and the Lexan is sharp. It's got like a sharp edge, so I'm gonna do some sanding on that to make it more adhesive. And my window that I repaired 2 years ago is holding up fine. But once we get that done, and then it has to set up and cure for about a week, then we'll be good to go to the Bahamas. See you out there.